The question says a galvanometer of resistance 18 ohm shows a deflection of 50 divisions. When this galvanometer is shunted with a 12 ohm resistance, the deflection shall fall to. Which means initially when there was only galvanometer and say the current Ig was flowing through it, the deflection was 50 division. Now when the galvanometer is shunted with a resistance S, say, the current is now going to get divided, so it is going to get only Ig dash, some part of the total current, correct? And so what will be the new division which will be possible? Now we can say for sure that by principle of moving coil galvanometer, I is directly proportional to theta, which means Ig by Ig dash is going to be theta 1 by theta 2, which is actually 50 by x. But to find Ig dash, we have to use a current divider rule, where I can say Ig dash is going to be S upon S plus G the whole into Ig, because the total current is Ig and Ig dash is current in one branch. So current divider rule says current in one branch is equal to the resistance in the second branch upon the total resistance, the whole into the total current. So now if I substitute the value of shunt resistance, which is 12 ohm, and 12 plus 18 becomes 30, that is going to be equal to into Ig. So 6 2s are 6 5s are. So Ig dash by Ig is going to be 2 by 5, which over here is the reciprocal. So this becomes 5 by 2 is equal to 50 by x. So we get x as 20 division, and that will be your final answer.